Hey everyone, and welcome to Medicine and Health Info with MK. I'm your host, Muthu Kumar. Today, we're diving into the best foods to eat in the morning to help lower your blood sugar. Starting your day with the right fuel can make a monumental difference in your energy levels. We're looking for foods that provide sustained energy and work with your body. So, grab a cup of unsweetened tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore some fantastic, science-backed breakfast options. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic oatmeal. The magic ingredient here is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber forms a thick gel in your digestive tract, slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This means glucose is released into your bloodstream gradually, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar. Instead of a quick rush and crash, you get a steady, sustained release of energy. When choosing your oats, opt for steel-cut or rolled oats over instant varieties. Steel-cut and rolled oats retain more of their fiber and take longer to digest, giving you the maximum benefit. Instead of loading it up with brown sugar or maple syrup, try adding natural sweetness and extra nutrients with berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a handful of nuts, or a dollop of Greek yogurt. These additions enhance the flavor and texture and contribute to an even more balanced and blood sugar-friendly meal. Think of oatmeal as your canvas for a healthy breakfast masterpiece. Next up on our list of morning champions is Greek yogurt. Authentic Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of protein and typically much lower in carbohydrates and sugar than its regular counterparts. Protein plays a vital role in promoting satiety and has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. When choosing Greek yogurt, always opt for the plain, unsweetened varieties. You can add your own natural sweetness with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a few chopped nuts. Beyond its protein prowess, Greek yogurt is also a good source of probiotics, supporting gut health and overall metabolic health. Pair it with a small serving of low-glycemic fruit or a handful of almonds or walnuts for a complete, satisfying, and blood sugar-conscious breakfast. Let's talk about eggs, a breakfast staple for many, and for excellent reasons when it comes to blood sugar management. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and healthy fats, effective at keeping blood sugar levels stable and providing lasting energy. The protein in eggs helps to slow down digestion and the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. The healthy fats found in egg yolks also play a beneficial role, slowing down gastric emptying and contributing to a more gradual release of glucose. Eggs are versatile, scrambled, poached, boiled, or as an omelet packed with non-starchy vegetables. Adding vegetables boosts the fiber content and adds a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Embrace eggs as part of your morning routine for a simple, affordable, and powerful tool in maintaining stable blood sugar and overall good health. They are a nutrient-dense food that provides multifaceted benefits. Now let's move on to a fruit that often gets mistaken for a vegetable, the avocado. This creamy, delicious food is a true champion for promoting healthy blood sugar levels, thanks to its healthy monounsaturated fats and dietary fiber. The healthy fats in avocados help to slow down the digestion process, resulting in a more gradual rise in blood sugar. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which adds bulk to your meal and further slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Enjoy avocado in various ways for breakfast, sliced on whole grain toast, blended into a smoothie, or alongside your eggs. Its versatility and delicious taste make it an easy and enjoyable way to boost your breakfast health profile. Last but certainly not least on our list of blood sugar-friendly morning foods are berries. Berries are relatively low in sugar compared to many other fruits and exceptionally high in fiber and antioxidants. The fiber content in berries helps to slow down the digestion and absorption of natural sugars, preventing undesirable spikes. Beyond fiber, berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which may improve insulin sensitivity and have beneficial effects on blood sugar regulation. Incorporating berries into your morning routine is easy and enjoyable. Toss a handful into your oatmeal or Greek yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy a small bowl on their own. They add natural sweetness, vibrant color, and a burst of flavor, making your healthy breakfast feel like a treat. Try to include a mix of different berries to get a broad spectrum of nutrients and antioxidants. Incorporate these 5 fantastic foods into your morning routine to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Oatmeal, Greek yogurt, eggs, avocados, and berries. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Experiment and see how these changes impact your well-being. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Share your favorite blood sugar-friendly breakfasts below. Stay healthy and see you next time on Medicine and Health Info with MK.